In Looker Studio, parameters allow you to create dynamic and interactive reports by letting users input or select values that adjust the data displayed. Here's how to use parameters. Create a parameter. Open your report and go to the Resource menu. Select Manage Parameters and then click Add the parameter. Define the parameter's properties. Name. Give it a descriptive name. Data type. Choose a type of input. Default value. Set an initial value for the parameter. Allow values. Specify a list of allowable values or a range. Use the parameters in a custom field. Go to your data source or the chart where you want to use the parameter. Create a new custom field by clicking Add the field. Use the parameter in your formula. For example, if you have a parameter for a year and want to filter sales data, you can write the following. Replace parameter year with your parameter's name. Add the control to change parameter value. Add the control to the report like a drop-down or slider from the Add the Control menu. Configure the control to adjust the parameter value. Apply and save. Once the parameter is set up, your charts and tables will dynamically update based on the parameter value selected by users.